everybody. Today we have HP Elitebook 840 G11 series. It's an Intel Ultra 5 processor with beautiful full HD screen. Let's take it apart, let's see what we can fix, replace or upgrade. Start with bottom screws. Now we have to separate the bottom case from the Palmrest, so find a place where you can put your tool in and then work your way around the edge to disconnect all the clips. Alright, and the bottom is off. Look for the part number on the white sticker. So now we can access all the internal components, so start with disconnecting the battery. And now we can take it out. So if the battery is swollen or doesn't hold the charge, you can replace it. So that's our battery. Here we have the battery model number. Here under this cover, that should be our RAM memory. Both slots are occupied, so if you want to replace the memory, spread those arms and you can take it out. If you want to install it back, just press it in and it's installed. So we can replace the memory or we could upgrade it. That's DDR5 memory. Here, that's our storage. So if your laptop doesn't boot and tells you there is no boot device, or you would like to upgrade storage to the bigger one, this is how you can do it. So take out the drive, that's the NVMe SSD drive. Here, that's our Wi-Fi card. So if the Wi-Fi doesn't work, you can replace this card. Gently disconnect the antenna wires. Now you can pull out the card. Look for the model number on the top somewhere. Alright, here, those are our speakers, so if the sound is bad, you can replace your speakers. Unscrew the screws. And now disconnect from the motherboard. Alright, look for the part numbers on the white stickers. Here, that's our I/O board with our USB port, audio port. So if those ports don't work, you can replace just this board. So disconnect from the motherboard. I always close those clips. If you leave it open, you can break it later. Now take out all the screws. Alright, so that's our audio port. It's on the separate cable, so you can replace it. And that's the card reader and the USB-A port. Alright, now let's take out our heatsink. So if your laptop overheats, you would like to add cooling paste between the heatsink and the processor, or if the fan doesn't spin or makes grinding noise, or it's clogged with hair, then you would like to replace it. So unscrew all the screws. disconnect from the motherboard and make sure the cable is not in your way. Alright, so that's our fan. And that's the heatsink. Be careful, don't bend it. If you bend it, it won't work anymore. So here we have the part number. Here we can see our processor. Processor is soldered on the motherboard. You cannot replace it. So if it doesn't work, you have to buy the whole motherboard. Alright, now let's take out the motherboard. So disconnect all the remaining cables. And by the way, if you need parts, check gotlaptopparts.com. And if you don't feel like fixing your laptop, you can always sell it at sellbroke.com. I will keep the CMOS battery with the motherboard. Okay, now let's take out all the remaining screws. And now we can take it out. Look for the part number on the white sticker. Now let's disconnect our screen assembly from the Palmrest keyboard assembly. So unscrew the hinges. Now gently unfold the hinges and we can disconnect the Palmrest touchpad keyboard assembly. Let's see if we can replace just the touchpad. One more screw on the top. Alright, so that's our touchpad. Look for the part number on the stickers. Now let's see, that's our fingerprint reader. If you would like to replace it, unscrew this one screw. And now we can take it out. So that's the fingerprint reader. The keyboard is riveted to the Palmrest. You cannot take it out. You have to buy the whole Palmrest keyboard assembly like that. So that's our screen. Screen is very fragile. It's usually held by adhesive. So if you try to pull out the LCD, you're risking cracking the LCD. So if you can, look for the whole screen assembly like that on eBay or catlaptopparts.com, and check the part number on the sticker on the video cable. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.